Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Stacey Agin, professional organizer and owner of Organized Artistry, where we transform mess into masterpiece. I've been organized since my days in the womb. My mom thought I was kicking, but really I was just looking for a place to put the umbilical cord. My 5-foot by 12-foot bedroom became my organizing laboratory, and out of necessity, I started creating organizing solutions for my tight space. Fast forward a few years and now I'm a professional organizer creating organizing solutions for clients, helping them reach their organizing goals since 2002, and loving it. From my channel, you're going to learn the ins and outs of getting and staying organized. I'll be talking about cool products, how-tos, tips and tricks to help you reach your organizing goal. Be sure to click to subscribe. I'm so glad you're here. Now let's get organized!